Have you ever asked, which book should I read? Or, what movie is playing tonight? If so, congratulations! You've used interrogative adjectives. But what are they and how exactly do they work? Hello there! In this video, we are going to learn about interrogative adjectives. Let's get started. Interrogative adjectives help us ask questions by modifying a noun. The three most common ones are which, used when there are specific choices. Example: which color do you prefer, red or blue? What, used for general questions. Example: what subject do you like the most? And whose, shows possession. Whose phone is ringing? See how each one modifies a noun in the sentence? Some learners mix up which and what, but here's a simple trick. Use which when options are limited. Which pen is yours? Use what when there are more possibilities. What animal do you love? And don't forget whose is always about ownership. Now let's test your knowledge. Fill in the blank. Blank shoes are on the floor. A which, B what, C whose. Comment your answer below. Good job! I hope this video helped you better understand about interrogative adjectives. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe. Bye now!